Train your English voice with will, when, and if. When is used for future events that are certain. You can use will with when and if. Will must be used in a different part of the sentence. Let's look at some example sentences. First, certain events. When I get home, I will phone you. Or, I will phone you when I get home. This is a certainty and will happen. Another example. When I go to the shop, I will buy bread. This is something that will happen. Uncertain events. If it rains, we will be late. Or, we will be late if it rains. This is an uncertain event. Another example. If I go to the shop, I will buy bread. This is an uncertain event. I might not go to the shop, but if I do, I will buy bread.